Chapter 31, Article Writing. An article is a long piece of composition which can be written on a variety of topics related to sports, medicine, politics, literature, philosophy, and so on. The main idea is to provide information, ideas, opinion to the readers in a logical and systematic manner. Articles are generally published in newspapers, magazines, and journals. So, article is a kind of long composition or an essay, usually written to be published in newspapers, magazines, and journals. Essentials of a good article. There are a few points which may help one to write a good article. First and foremost, one should do good research on the topic because it will help develop good content for the article. Second, a catchy, relevant, and proper headline must be selected that will grab the attention of the reader at once and arouse his interest to read further. First point is to look for the content, to do some kind of research on the topic, and the next point is to look for a good headline, a catchy headline that will grab the attention of the readers. An article should essentially consist of at least 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is the introduction, always. The first paragraph is the introduction, whether it is an article or a composition or essay or an essay. We should always give a kind of introduction in the first paragraph itself. It should comprise of a few sentences and should give the reader a glimpse of the main ideas or concepts which will be discussed later in the article. It is meant to give a hint about the content of the article. The main body of the article may comprise one or more paragraphs and deal with all the details related to the topic. It should encompass various ideas, facts, problems, if any related to the topic, and all the relevant information. The paragraphs should be in a flow so that they are linked or connected to each other and are related to the main topic being discussed. An incident or example may be included to support the main topic. So we studied that an article consists of at least 3 paragraphs, wherein the first paragraph forms the introduction part and it gives a hint about the content of the article, what lies ahead in the article. The main body of the article contains various facts, ideas, problems, and some examples are also included in the article to support the main topic. Then lies the conclusion of the article at the end. It should contain a brief summary of the entire article and it always appears at the end. A positive closing sentence helps to create a lasting impression on the reader. So the conclusion is also a main part of the article. It contains a brief summary, a summary of the whole article. And the closing line should always be positive so that it will create a lasting impression on the reader. Proofread the article and check grammatical or spelling errors. So after writing the article, we need to read it thoroughly too, and we should also check for any grammatical mistakes and we should correct it. While writing an article for newspaper or magazine, the name of the writer is also mentioned after the heading, right in the beginning or at the end. Okay, so in an article for a newspaper that appears in a newspaper or magazine, you will always find the name of the writer mentioned after the heading, in the beginning or at the end. You may write notes before you start writing the article. So always before writing an article, try to prepare points, some bullet points or some notes before writing the whole article. First prepare notes, some points, and then elaborate those points. We need to explain those points, as it will help you organize your ideas and content in a logical manner. Now read the article given here and you will find the above guidelines have been carefully followed. So children, after it you will find several sample articles given in this chapter. Sports unites hearts. This is a sample article. You need to read it. See how it is written by Aditya Singh, 17 years. So the name of the writer is also mentioned just after the heading. You need to read this article and get the idea on how to write the article. There is the you will see the introductory paragraph is there, then the body is there, and then the concluding paragraph is there. Now here is an article on save the environment. This is also very important. Please go through it and please understand how we can save the environment and what is causing the environment to be polluted. Okay, now turn to the next page. There is this article on page number 192, this exercise. Write an article in not more than 120 words on the topic. The young generation is blindly aping. Aping means copying the West without even understanding. The young generation are copying the West. You may use the clues given here and combine them with your own ideas to make the article interesting. So there are several clues given in this box, like influence of Western culture, dresses, food habits, fake attitude. All these are being followed by the young generation. Take the hint from these clues and write an article of not more than 120 words. Okay, it should be a short article. And I'll also share this article with you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so keep trying and keep practicing writing articles. Thank you.